These are websites that will pay you daily working from home. In this video, I'll be taking you through legit websites that will make you money working from home in Nigeria. This also applies to all countries. These are websites that will pay you daily. This is one of them. You can see my cash out, look at it, and much more. This is another website. Look at different jobs that you can easily do in minutes and you earn all this money. These are other microtask jobs. This is another website and my withdrawal of Amazon gift card. I cash out directly to my bank account in Nigeria. This is another website. This is another website and how much I've withdrawn. This is another one. This is the kind of work you'll be doing. These are simple task you can do with your phone. You can see how much I've withdrawn to my bank account in Nigeria through ATM, doing microtask jobs online from home. Look at different people from different countries, how much money they are making. $5,000, $4,000. This is a Nigerian. This is another Nigerian, $2,000. This is another one. These are the kind of jobs you'll be doing. This is another one. How much people are making daily. This is over $67, $35, $17. This is another website and evidence of my cash out. So what are these websites? What are the payment methods that is better for you? Ensure you watch this video to the end to see how you can cash out with one payment gateway that is a game changer. Let's do it. This is Orchid. You'll be able to get paid posting ads daily on your social media platform. You'll be able to make money in multiple ways on this platform. Do you have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp? All you need to do is to make comments, watch videos, like posts, and you get paid. Look at it. You can also promote people's products that will earn you a lot of money on this website. Just for making comments and interacting on Instagram, 100 naira. Helping people to post advert on Twitter, 100 naira per advert. 100 naira per advert on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, and on WhatsApp. You earn this. Look at it. How much I've withdrawn on this platform. You can withdraw any amount. Look at this side. People making smaller money that will accumulate to a lot of money with their phone on this platform. All you need to do here is to pay 1,000, and that is all you will be expected to pay before you start working. This website can earn you a lot of money. Please do me one big favor. Please use ASK JOFA as the person that introduced you. That is one big reward for this video you can do for me. Thank you. This is NewBoss. You are just a minute away from changing the make money online forever. That is what they promise on this website. You'll be able to take surveys, view advertisements, and watching videos. All that is required of you is to register. Then you can use your ATM to cash out your funds. You will see a video of how I cash out using ATM directly to my bank account in Nigeria at the end of this video. If you use my ATM link, ATM will give you a gift of $1. This is my profile page. You'll be able to take surveys, play games, many offers with good pay, and you can join the forum. If you have any challenge, you'll be able to ask questions. Look at different tasks with good pay. Tasks you can do in minutes. Look at different money you can make of different offers. On this platform, they will ban you if you use virtual private network. Don't pretend to be in another country while you are in Nigeria. You can make $5 daily on this platform. All you just need to do is to dedicate like 20 hours in a week for this one and work around all this platform. You'll be able to make over $50 every day working on multiple websites that will pay you daily. All you need to do is to sign up and start working. You see the link below the description of this video. Thank you. This is another big online marketplace. This is where you make a lot of money. Let me show you. I've already cashed out from this platform. You can see this is my current balance. What are you expected to do? Look at it. For watching video, you get paid $1, $2 for different tasks that you can do with your phone. All you need to do is to come to this place, set the type of task you want to do. Look at it, different tasks on different social media platforms. For instance, if you like to take surveys, you click surveys, you scroll down, apply, look at different surveys you can take. I earlier show you a lot of people from different countries working on this platform. Look at how much they are making. You just need consistency and daily show up on this platform. Combining all these websites together, doing microtask jobs can earn you over $50 every day in your country, and that includes Nigeria. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video. You will see how to cash out your money directly to your bank account, and now I did it to my account in Nigeria at the end of this video. Thank you. This is Click Worker. You can see make money from anywhere, anytime. On this platform, you'll be able to use your phone to do different microtask jobs like taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and you'll be making money directly to your bank account in your country. Look at it. Microtasking is made for you. This is a big website that is set up to facilitate artificial intelligence training. So you'll be able to sit in your home and take pictures of your activities in your surrounding and at home. You'll be able to get paid. My recommendation is Payoneer for this particular website. If you use my Payoneer link, which is below the description of this video, Payoneer will give you $25 gift as soon as you meet their condition. This website is one of my top recommended websites. I've already cashed out from this website and I have a video to show for it. Watch the video. It's going to come out here. These are different jobs you'll be doing. They are top UHRS contractors. I've done videos too about UHRS jobs. You'll be able to use your Facebook to do microtask job. You'll be able to earn $1 for just authentication. This is $1.5. Uploading videos that you take in your home, at your backyard, take part in different surveys, and much more. Thank you. This is another website. Look at it. Get free cards and cash for the everyday things you do online. Then you start earning points. On this platform, you'll be able to watch videos, playing games, downloading apps, and doing surveys to earn points. You'll be able to get a reward of gift cards for every of your microtask jobs on this platform. You can withdraw gift cards directly to your account in Nigeria. Look at it. This site have paid out over $900 million. They have different offers that you can do. This website will reward you with SB. 100 SB is equal to $1. Other options of cash out and withdrawals, you have PayPal, Payoneer, and Steam gift cards. It may take a long while before you'll be able to withdraw with Payoneer. At the end of this video, you are going to watch how I withdrew this $5 gift card directly to my bank account in Nigeria. The video will come out here and you can cash out with just 500 SB and you cash out very fast. Thank you. This is another great website. It is called NairaWorkers. They have over 200,000 tasks that you can do on this platform. It is a crowdsourcing platform for individuals and business. This is a Nigerian website that will earn you money daily. There is something you can do using your social media platform. Be able to test website, data entry, downloading apps, watching videos, playing games, taking surveys. Look at it. Just for signing up on different websites, some people are ready to pay you for that on this platform. Take a survey, write an honest review, and start testing app and you get paid. These are samples of jobs you can do. For visiting a website, you get 42 naira. Like and retweet on Twitter, they pay you 24 naira. Watch videos, you get 48 naira. To create an account, you get 80 naira. Follow people on Instagram, you get 7 naira. This is how your dashboard should look like by the time you start working on this platform. For you to start working, you see the link below the description of this video. Don't forget to do me a big favor. Use ASK JOFA to sign up. Thank you so much for doing that for me. This is whysense, another great platform. I've withdrawn over $22 on this platform, so it's legitimate and you get paid also directly to your bank account in Nigeria and in your country. You can watch my YouTube videos under cash out playlist. You see all my videos on how I cash out on all these platforms. This is a global online community with multiple earnings options and opportunity. Look at it. You'll be able to make money with paid surveys, a lot of them. You'll be able to get paid for trying new products and services, downloading apps, signing up, watching videos, playing games, and you can also refer your friends and family members. Look at it. These are different tasks you can do. This is where to start taking surveys. These are different other offers that you can do. These are many other tasks that you can do that can earn you money. Many of them on this platform. Look at it. Look at it. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video. Sign up and start working. Thank you. This platform is called Timebox. They've paid me this amount for virtually doing nothing. You'll be able to get paid to post on Facebook, watching videos, playing games, installing apps, and completing microtask jobs like taking surveys. There's no approval process required for new sign up. You can just sign up in 5 seconds and start making money. To start working on this particular website, you just click Earn. As soon as you click Earn, you see different tasks. You scroll down. Look at it. These are different tasks you can do that will earn you all this money. Click each one of these offers. You scroll down. These are tasks you can do with your phone and you will earn all this money. You can see there are a lot of offers, all in cents, and you get paid directly to your bank account in Nigeria. There's a video that come out here. Watch that video. It will take you through how I cash out my money on this platform. You see the link below the description of this video. Thank you. This is my another favorite website. It is called freecash. Look at it. You'll be able to get paid for playing games, for taking surveys, downloading apps, watching videos, and so much more. Sign up for free. Win up to $250 in the free case. Just ensure you use the link below the description of this video. I'm assuring you are going to win something. Look at this. Average time you spend on this platform to start making money is 17 minutes. Also look at this. Average money earned by users yesterday. That implies that you can make over $13 every day on this platform. Look at it. This is the total amount that I've paid out by this platform. Over $34 million. On this platform, you'll be able to make over $10 for every offers you attempt. There are over 120 offers on this platform. I've also cashed out from this platform. I've cashed out this amount. If you want to see how I cash out, I have a video of it. Go to ASK JOFA YouTube channel. Under Proof of Earnings playlist, you'll be able to see how I cash out on this platform. These are different offers and tasks that you do and get paid. All you need to do is to start working. Ensure you use the link below the description of this video. Sign up. Thank you. This is a platform that will help you earn free Bitcoin for doing microtask jobs with your phone. Look at it. Over 12 million paid. Earn free Bitcoin. Look at it. Our members have earned over $12 million in Bitcoin. Earn between $1 to $5 for every online service. You can earn different cryptos on this platform. How it works: you sign up, you complete the offer, play games, and you earn coin. You watch videos. I've also cashed out my money on this platform. This is evidence of payment, and you can watch my video here of how I cash out on Multiply. Different jobs like taking surveys, many offers, watching videos, clicking ads will earn you money on this platform. Just come to this place, earn coins. You'll be able to see how to start different tasks, surveys, offer. Look at it. Watch video, install mobile app, complete surveys. Here, you'll be able to watch and click ads to get paid. So all you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video and start working. You now know 10 legit websites that will pay you daily working from home in Nigeria. All you need to do is to sign up and start working. The top recommended payment gateway is AirTM. Ensure you use the link below the description of this video to sign up. They will give you $1 for using that link. You can also use my Payoneer link. It's also below the description of this video. You are going to get $25 as a gift from Payoneer as soon as you meet their condition. Ensure you watch the next video. You are going to see how I cash out gift cards from one of these websites directly to my bank account in Nigeria. Also, the second video will show you another way to cash out using AirTM. Please do me one big favor. Please subscribe to this channel. Like this video. Thank you so much for doing that. Thank you for watching this video. Bye for now.